My name is Lindsey, and this is Joana, Noah, and Akhil, and together we are botelle, a real-time collaborative shopping list for college students within a community.
Meet Joy. She's your average college student. She's always busy and stressed about upcoming deadlines, and she just doesn't have the extra time or money to go out of her way to the grocery store to get 1 or 2 groceries, even though she so desperately needs them.
So today, there are currently 21 million college students in America, and every college student spends an average of 185% more on every meal than any other consumer. And because of that, there's a $600 billion industry in just groceries.
To solve the issue that Joy and many others have, we created a simple app demo that we could show you. Of course, we have our starting login screen, which is just very basic. However, once you get into the sign-up page, you'll notice something very important to our app, and that's the current location bar. And this is used for the next stage, where you need to find a community near you. You have the basic name of the community, as well as the people that are already in the community, as well as a request to join the list. And if you do request to join the list and the admin adds you, you can be added to that list. Of course, you can also create your own community and add members through the add button. Lastly, we have the basic list view, where you can view all of the other people's lists in your community, and you can click on each of these the other people's list and go and buy the groceries for them, and then go to them at a drop-off point, and they could pay you for that. Lastly, we also have our basic add item to your list, which is in the upper right-hand corner.
Although botelle has many key features, we really strive to achieve 4 key things. Firstly, save you money. Second, save you time. Third, help save the environment. And fourth, nurture your community around you. We also did an MVP with various rounds to test that this is something that people wanted a solution for. And within this various rounds, we served over 30 unique customers with many repeat users, turned over $300 in revenue, and made a net profit of $30, which we reinvested back into the company.
So going over some customer acquisition. So we started posting flyers and posters about around both Cambridge and both MIT and Harvard. And in addition to that, we started social media campaigns to approach people around the world. In addition, we're in development of a promotional video, and we're going to start partnering with grocery stores to help promote our app.
Once we have those initial customers, we want to promote virality, and to do this, we're going to use free trials, referring a friend, word of mouth, and point scheme, as well as in-app redemption. So instead of having the money for the groceries paid directly to your credit card, you can have it paid in-app for a higher value.
Obviously, we are not the first to enter this market, but what sets botelle apart is that we are not a delivery service, but rather a quick, real-time list that makes the most out of your community. As you can see, we've labeled axes with speed and affordability, which we consider to be our customers' top priorities. Delivery services like Amazon Fresh and Fresh Direct tend to be less time efficient, while similar services like Coupon and Instacart can have large delivery fees and subscription costs. Also, some people may use handwritten lists or messaging apps to compile group lists. However, this is far less convenient than our live updating app.
So our revenue model consists of 2 branches, one for the deliverer and one for us. So for the deliverer, if that person is only delivering for 1 person, then that person has to pay $2 per delivery. If there's more than 1 person receiving the groceries, then each person has to pay $1 to the deliverer. And there's obviously an optional tip at the very end. And the way we make money is that we take a 15% cut out of the total order, and in addition to that, our API that we're using for splitting payments takes a small cut of our 15%.
Moving on to our financial projections, in the next 5 years, we hope to get about $1.5 million in revenue, having our net income be about $800,000 to $900,000, and most of the expenses that we have are for customer acquisition and service fees.
But why should you believe in the team behind botelle? Well, we all think that we're very well-rounded and complementary skilled individuals. My name is Joana, I'm from England, and I work on operations, finance, and promotional material.
I'm Akhil, I'm from the Bay Area, and I'm focusing on marketing and sales.
I'm Noah, I'm from Long Island, and I'm the main developer on our team.
I'm Lindsey from New Jersey, and I'm working on design, legal aspects, and outreach.
And with our amazing team, we hope to have a few future plans that we'd like to share with you. In the next 2 months alone, we hope to get our app out there, as it's currently in development. We have 400 plus. We want to have 400 plus responses on our newsletter. our survey, and 100 plus signups on our newsletter. In the next 4 months, we hope to get our first 500 downloads to our app, as well as 200 plus signups on our newsletter. And in the next 6 months, we hope to get about 1,000 plus downloads on our app, as well as 300 signups on our newsletter, and in the next few years to come, we hope to expand even further beyond that.
Thank you so much for listening.